There are some updates on Realio and the RIO token that you're not gonna want to miss. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the APY Guide channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. Any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. Not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. If you've watched this channel before, you know Realio is one of my favorite low cap gems. And I think it'll do really well in general, and definitely really well if we have another bull run in 2024-2025. What is Realio? Realio Network is a layer 1 multi-chain Web3 ecosystem focused on the issuance and management of digital native real-world assets, RWAs as they call them. Is a blockchain-based SaaS, and that means software as a service platform that enables the issuance, investment, and life cycle management of digital securities and crypto assets. Realio Network has a number of features that make it unique and valuable platform for issuance and management of real-world assets. These features include tokenization. The Realio Network allows RWAs to be tokenized, which makes them more liquid and accessible to a wider range of investors. Decentralization. The Realio Network is a decentralized platform, which means that it is not subject to the control of any single entity. Security, which is definitely important. The Realio Network uses a number of security features to protect RWAs, including smart contracts, encryption, and a distributed ledger. And compliance, which is a huge issue recently. The Realio Network is compliant with a number of regulatory frameworks, including the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission that we all know as the SEC. Okay, next we're going to take a look at the roadmap. This is going to be for Q3, quarter 3, and quarter 4 of this year, 2023. We go down here, they completed the network launch, and now we're going into the Realioverse. The Realioverse Land Rush is going to be coming up as well. We come down here and take a look at what the Realioverse is. If the Land Rush is Q3 of 2023. The Realioverse is a virtual world that's being built on the Realio Network. It is an immersive digital land experience that combines augmented reality, virtual reality, and gaming infrastructure. The Realioverse will allow users to own, build, and monetize digital real estate. They will also be able to interact with each other in a variety of ways, such as through games, events, and social experiences. The Realioverse is still under development, but has the potential to be a major platform for the future of Metaverse. It's a unique and innovative project that has the potential to revolutionize the way that we interact with the digital world. If you take a look at this page here, it kind of just goes over it in a summary here, the layers of the Realioverse. If you want to look more into this, I can leave the link for the roadmap in the description of the video. Okay, the next one is one I overlooked, I think. I've covered this project multiple times. I'll leave the description, or I'll leave the links to those videos in the description of this video. But Realio.fund, the peer-to-peer LMX market, I kind of think I overlooked it. I think it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. If we go to the actual description of what it is, let's come down here. It's a peer-to-peer marketplace. But the Realio.fund LMX market is a decentralized DEX that allows users to trade LMX tokens, which represent digitized equity in the liquid mining fund. Now, this is cool, because if we dig a little deeper here, it's a lot more than I thought it was. So the LMF is a special purpose fund that invests in early stage liquid cooled next generation Bitcoin miners utilizing sustainable power sources. This idea is incredible, and it says exposure to LMX is through a tradable investment token that generates yield to token holders and new BTC through liquid-cooled Bitcoin mining. As a digital wrapped product, holders can join liquidity pools and other DeFi-based contracts. This is super cool. This I did not even realize what it was. I didn't realize that was backed by these Bitcoin miners. I'm definitely going to have to look more into the LMX, and I'm going to probably do a full video on it once I get all the facts straight on what it exactly is and how it exactly works. Let's move on through the roadmap. The fee burning is going to be cool. That's going to be in Q3 to Q4. The osmosis, because they're integrating with Cosmos SDK, multi-chain bridges, and then DeFi mortgage market. More to be seen on those. And the Freehold wallet is really cool. If we come down to that, down here, coming Q4 of 2023, it's a non-custodial multi-chain DeFi wallet app built on Realio's blockchain infrastructure. This one's super exciting too, because if we look more into it, it says it'll allow users to store, send, receive, and exchange a variety of digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and RWAs, real-world assets. The Freehold wallet will also offer a number of other features, including a fiat on-off ramp, which is amazing, which is what we exactly need now. Users will be able to easily convert fiat currency into digital assets and vice versa. Assisted custody options. Users will be able to choose between self-custody and assisted custody options. Assisted custody will allow users to store their digital assets in a secure vault that is managed by Realio. And then device independence. The Freehold wallet will be available on a variety of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. And then security. The Freehold wallet will use a number of security features to protect user funds, including 2FA, encryption, and a distributed ledger. It says the Freehold wallet is still under development, but it has the potential to be a major player in the DeFi space. I definitely agree. The fiat on-off ramp is a must. That's one of the things that crypto needs really bad right now. On that note, if you guys know any off ramps currently that you use that work and don't have huge fees, please let me know in the comments. People are like, "Oh, there's all kinds of them." There's not. Like, name them, please. Put them in the comments and prove me wrong. Every time somebody does that, it's either you can't use it in the United States, or that the fees are just like ridiculously high. So leave those in the comments if you have any. Before we go to the price action, I just wanted to share this statement here. It says Realio's mission is to create a more efficient and transparent financial system that empowers investors and issuers. I think that's a really nice statement. I like that statement. It's solid. It's a very strong statement. Let's take a look at the price action. It's sitting at about 20.8 cents right now, down a little bit today. Over the last 30 days, it got all the way up to about 28 cents. Now it's in my my buy zone. Anywhere 20 cents and lower, I'm scooping some of this up. The fully diluted market cap right now is 11.4 million. Let's go to Coin Market Cap and see if it's the same on Coin Market Cap. What do they got here? They got the fully diluted as 16.1. And we got 11.4. Okay, so yeah, 16.2. Because the total supply is 75 million RIO. So they're wrong on CoinGecko. Coin Market Cap is correct. I hate the right. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Because 75 million is the total supply, not 50 million. So fully diluted would be 16.2 million. So I guess 55 million is the circulating supply. So this is wrong. Okay, self-reported supply is 55.5. And that the CoinMarketCap team has verified the project's circulating supply. However, according to the project, self-reported circulating supply and self-reported market cap The self-reported is 55.5 million RIO, and the market cap is 11.9. Which one's right? But still, no matter what, regardless of either one, okay, so that would make sense because the market cap is based on the 55.5 million tokens times the price would be 11.9 million. Fully diluted would be 16.2. So either way, it's a tiny market cap, and anything under 20 cents, I'm a buyer on this project. Last thing I want to cover is the staking. I am currently staking most of my tokens in the Para wallet. It's super easy. You just hold them in the Parrot wallet and you get rewards daily. The other way to stake is on the actual network itself, on Realio network. I have a video that shows exactly step-by-step how to stake them on Realio network. And I do have a video shows how to stake them on Para wallet as well. I will leave both of those videos in the description of this video if you want to check those out. Realio continues to be one of my favorite low cap gems for the next bull market if we have one. If I am missing a low cap gem that you think that I should cover, make sure you leave that in the comments of this video. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.